In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete data in Firebase, Firestore, real-time database, and auth users. Before we start, a quick reminder. Deletions are permanent and can't be undone. Make sure you're working in the correct Firebase project and, if necessary, export or backup your data beforehand. Confirm that your account has the right permissions and double-check the exact locations you plan to delete. Let's begin with Cloud Firestore. Open the Firebase console and head to the Firestore database section. From here, you can manually delete documents and collections right in the console. Navigate through your collections to find the document you want to remove, open it, and use the delete option. If you need to remove an entire collection, select the collection in the console and confirm the deletion. Keep in mind that deleting large collections in the console can take time, since every document must be removed. For larger cleanups in Firestore, you can use the Firebase CLI. The command you'll use is Firebase Firestore delete path. Replace path with the exact collection or document path you want to delete, such as a specific document or an entire collection. This approach is efficient for bulk operations, but remember that it triggers reads and deletes for the affected documents, which incurs billing costs. Always run it against the correct path and consider testing on a small sample path first to confirm it behaves as expected. Next, let's look at the real-time database. In the Firebase console, go to the real-time database section. Find the data path you want to remove, hover over it, and click the delete icon. If you delete a parent node, all nested child data under that node will be deleted as well. This is powerful and convenient, but make sure you're targeting precisely the right node to avoid removing more than intended. Finally, if you need to remove user accounts, go to the authentication section and open the Users tab. From here, you can manually delete individual user accounts. Deleting a user immediately revokes their authentication and access. Review each account carefully before confirming the deletion to ensure you're acting on the correct user. To wrap up, use the console for precise, small-scale deletions, the CLI for large Firestore cleanups when you're certain of the path and costs, and the Authentication Users tab for account removals. Take your time, verify your targets, and proceed with caution to keep your project clean and accurate.